Monday, April 26, 2021. Hi guys. Today I'm going to add a no-dig edger to the backyard, just like the front. I'll take a stake, as you see here, and bring it down to one end of the yard. What I'll do is wrap or tie a rope around it, then take the line and walk all the way down to the other end of the yard and pretty much do the same with another stake. As a reminder, if you guys were trying to subscribe recently, those links are up now. So if you like to, go ahead. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment as well. Okay, let's get started. In addition, I need the edger along with my utility knife and scissors. The new no-dig edger will be about a foot in front of the old one. I can't wait to cover this old post. So I'll use the tape measure and a stake and wrap a string around the stake and take it all the way down to the other end. I got to use my trusty hammer for this. Nothing to it. Just need to wrap the string around the drywall screw and then I'll tie it just to secure it a lot better. Out of everything that comes along with this particular project, this is the easiest part. I brought the tape measure down to the other end. I don't have a string level, so I'm doing this to ensure that one side won't be narrow and the other one won't be wide. In case you were wondering, I put the drywall screw 5.5 inches from the tip and directly in the center of the stake, and that was 3/4 of an inch. What do you guys think? I think I did pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at the other end. You know what I hate? I hate that I'll be taking up the Scott Sun and Shade mix. That's the only thing about this. With the use of my edger, it's time to make a line along the string. I went over about 1 inch. I did it on purpose. I'm okay with that. I'm just using the string as a guide. I don't know if you can see the line, but I can. Progress is being made. I'm getting there. I decided to make the line deeper. That'll help me get the grass up a lot easier. It's warm out here. Time to take a break. I should have wet the grass. I thought the rain from Saturday would keep it moist. Anyway, I think I'm going to go all the way down to where the edger is. Well, I'm getting there. Little by little, piece by piece. It's coming along. You know what, guys? I've been putting in a lot of work. I think it's break time. Time to finish up this phase. I got a little ways to go. I finally got it up. Took a little while, but it's done. I'm going to start cleaning up now, get it out the way. This reminds me of 2018 all over again. I was digging up so much grass and dirt. I don't miss it at all. Time to use my heavy-duty rake to clean it up a bit more. Next, I'll attach the ortho weed clear to my water hose. I'm doing this to stop weeds from growing through the fabric in the future. Good thing about this stuff, it doesn't kill your grass. Very powerful though, very potent. I stand by it. It's great. Have to level it. Time to add the dirt. I had to really focus on this area. I should have enough bags to go all the way across. I use my rake to spread the dirt across. And again, you want to do this so you don't have too many high and low spots. Just make it as even as you possibly can. One piece of fabric down. I don't know how many more to go. I have to hurry. I'm losing sunlight. I'm almost there. I hope I can make it. Now time for the star of the show. I almost forgot. I need this saw to cut the end of the no-dig edger. This worked out well actually. This end is curved a bit just like the other end. So, looks pretty good if you ask me. Now it's time to add the finishing touches. Sorry about the night vision, guys. I tried. I think next time I'll wait to do the cleanup. Looks good from what I can see. Happy with the results. Well, thanks for watching. You guys take care. Have a great night. Bye.